reviews today, and we're going to do it actually tonight, and we're going to do an install review of the little gingerbread girl that I got. We're going to install it. As you can see, I got Route 46 East heading to New York City. So if you're heading to New York City, hopefully you'll be able to see our decorations and appreciate them, because I live on a dead-end block, so it wouldn't be for anybody else anyway. But let's get this installed. I got a small one to put right here. We're going to stake it in and go from there. Alright guys, just to let you know, I do a lot of work, we have a lot of construction, whatever the case may be. I have a bunch of these galvanized 12-inch nails. These are awesome to put for treated wood. They last forever. So just for the bottom ones that are connected to the ground, I'm going to put them in, okay, and then it won't matter. But I'm not going to do it for the ones, that you got to tie the string on, because I have a loop for those. Oh wow, looks like a little wonderland. All right everyone, so that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the installation of it and what you can expect it to look like after. I put the two into it now. I can't go on the other people's property or whatever, but what they do recommend is that you do use, when you're going to put the strings down, is that you put it a little bit farther than what I did. You see I came down here, and it's only, a certain amount of degrees. They recommend a 45-degree angle when you're coming down. So a 45 would more be like this. This looks like a 25-degree angle or something. Just to let you guys know, I'm just working with what I'm working with. So like I said, that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community. Just like I get help from the community, right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you can support the channel by clicking on the affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million, it equals up into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube, which is really cool. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you check back to the channel, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the products as they break, so we know we're getting a good value, and also helping my subscribers out with any questions that they have on the products that I did review. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glen Velvet Reviews is out, and have a happy holidays, everybody.